Hey friends, today we have the third episode in our AI Arbitrage Bot review series. We've already tested Tron and Ethereum, and today it's the turn of one of the fastest and most promising networks, Solana. What can we expect here? Ultra-low fees, instant trades, and of course arbitrage with the bot. Let's dive in. You already know the site interface, 3 main networks to choose from. Today we pick Solana, and the advantages are immediately obvious. Low fees, average execution time under a second, and a high success rate. Let's see it in action. We connect the wallet, confirm the contract, and we're ready. The bot is now connected to Solana. Look how fast it scans the market. Solana is famous for processing thousands of transactions per second. Perfect for arbitrage. The faster the trade, the higher the chance to catch price differences and secure profit. Here the bot is already finding arbitrage opportunities. What's really cool? Fees are so low that even small trades can be profitable. Now we'll leave the bot running and get on with other tasks. I'll fast forward the footage for you, and we'll check the results shortly. And here we go. Trades are complete. The bot shows transaction history, profits, and fees. Notice how tiny the gas fees are on Solana, one of the network's main advantages. Profits are realized instantly, and the bot is ready to hunt for the next opportunities. Summary. If Tron offers stability and low fees, and Ethereum offers massive liquidity, then Solana delivers speed and accessibility. The bot really unlocks the network's potential: fast arbitrage trades, minimal costs, and an intuitive interface. Key advantages for Solana: lightning-fast transactions, tiny fees, support for popular DEX, automatic trade optimization. Of course, remember that crypto markets always carry risks, but with a tool like this, you gain a serious edge. Friends, if you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which network do you think is best for arbitrage? Tron, Ethereum, or Solana? I'll definitely make a comparison of all 3 networks in one episode. See you soon, and happy trading.